Bonjour les enfants, comment ça va? Our topic today is about describing clothes. These are some of the items that we will describe today. Can you repeat them after me?
Une chemise. Une veste. Un t-shirt. Une robe. Des chaussures. Une jupe. Un pull. Un pantalon. Une cravate. Un jean. Un sweat. Des chaussettes. Des baskets.
Now, let's add another detail to these clothes. So, in the next slide, I'm going to use the colors as adjectives to describe these items. So, as you can see, the difference between the adjectives in French and English is the French adjectives, they come before the noun and not after. So, in French we say un pull bleu, un pull bleu, which is in English a blue jumper. So in English we start with the color, say blue, but in French it's the opposite. We say un pull and then the color bleu, un pull bleu. That's the first difference. The second difference also is that in French the adjectives, they have to agree with the object that they are describing. So if I'm describing something masculine, the color or the adjective also must be masculine. If I'm describing something feminine, the adjective or the color must be feminine. If I'm describing something plural, so also the adjectives must be plural. That's what we call the adjective agreement with the noun. So as you can see in this slide and also in the previous one, most of the time we just add an E at the end of the adjective to change it from masculine to feminine. And we add also an S at the end of the adjective to change it from singular to plural. That's the general rule. But of course we have some exceptions, not to discuss it today. Please remember that the adjectives in French, they come always after the noun and not before, except for two types of them. The one that we use to describe beauty, and also the one that we use to describe the size, like the one that you see in this table. Which color is the clothes? De quelle couleur sont les vêtements? C'est un pull rouge. C'est un pull rouge. It is a red jumper. Can you describe the other items for me? So in the next slides, you will see the different crowns. The instructions are clear for the white and the blue crowns. If you decide to do the red crown, you need to pay attention when you put the color, the adjective of the color. You need to have the right spelling, of course, and also this adjective must agree with the object as we saw in this lesson. Good luck. Au revoir.